My name is Justice Sophia Akuffo. I'm the Chairperson of the COVID-19 National Trust Fund. And I wish to start off by thanking every person, every individual, every company that has helped us in our work with donations and contributions. We've been able to use the monies and items we've received to help a massive number of causes and institutions. But we're running out of money, so Oliver is asking for more. As I keep saying, whether items, materials, PPEs, sanitizers, food items for those who've been afflicted or affected by the pandemic, or monies to enable us purchase inputs for centers, health centers that need supplies. We're still receiving requests and we still have work to do as the pandemic is not subsiding significantly yet.